Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Mailchimp double opt-in. This feature determines whether new subscribers need to verify their email address before being added to your list, which helps ensure you're building a quality, engaged audience. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your email marketing campaigns. Now look over to the left sidebar and click on Audience. This will expand a menu with several options related to managing your subscribers. From this expanded menu, select Audience Dashboard. This is your central hub for viewing and managing your audience data and settings. Next, you'll want to select Manage Audience from the dashboard. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear with various management options. From this drop-down, click on Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for how your audience interacts with your sign-up forms and email preferences. Once you're in the settings area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Form Settings. This is where you'll control the behavior of your sign-up forms and the verification process for new subscribers. Within this section, look for Email Opt-in Settings and click the Edit button next to it. This will open up the specific controls for managing how subscribers join your list. Here's where you make the key decision. You'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Double Opt-in. If you want to require subscribers to verify their email address before being added to your list, make sure this checkbox is selected. If you prefer to add subscribers immediately without verification, simply uncheck this box to disable double opt-in. It's important to note that double opt-in typically results in a more engaged audience, even though it may slightly reduce your sign-up conversion rate. Before finalizing your choice, take a moment to review the information about the verification email that subscribers will receive if double opt-in is enabled. This helps you understand what your subscribers will experience during the sign-up process. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Save Opt-in Settings to apply your changes. Your new configuration will now be active for all future sign-ups. If you want to fine-tune your sign-up process even further, you can optionally adjust other opt-in settings available on this page, such as enabling or disabling reCAPTCHA to prevent spam sign-ups or configuring GDPR fields to ensure compliance with data protection regulations. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Mailchimp double opt-in settings to match your audience building strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.